Okay, there we go. We have begun. Um, okay, good day, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. We're here for yet another trading session. Yeah. Good morning to you, Umar. How are you, man? How are you? All right. Mm, mm, mm. Okay, let's do some markups here. So, um, took some trade on CPI. Took a trade on CPI here. It wasn't a bad trade at all on gold. Gold went up, wine went up. Yeah, it wasn't it wasn't bad at all. Okay. All good, all good, all good. All good, man. Okay, so let's see what we got here. For the most part, I'm not trading gold. However, um, I would say buys above this level here. Break and close above 46.27 to continue to the upside. Yep, yep. Okay, let's go to what we will be working with. So YM, it just broke all-time highs with news. It's looking really good, not gonna lie. We have some really clean ranges here. So for the most part, it breaking its current high may be an entry, but I don't want to participate. I don't really want to participate in highs above the all-time highs. Remember that happened last week? Was last week? Yeah, we lost that trade because of again all-time highs. I understand how this market moves when they're at all-time highs. So that being said, I think we can use this low here, this week here. for sells. We have possibly 1 to 2 range here. We can get a 1 to 2 here. So this is not bad. We can work with this. We can work with this. We can also work with cells below here. Yeah, we could also work with cells below this wicks here. Also, keep it in mind, this is a huge range, right? This is like 80. If you check up here, this is 100 plus. So bear that in mind. This is all-time highs here. It's going to be sketchy to enter up here. It's going to be really sketchy. Prefer enter somewhere in here, move stops to break even or something to manage risk. And then if you want to push, let it push. But it might be sketchy entering on the all-time highs here. Also, news rejected this level. Ooh, it's 900. Yeah, that's why. Yeah, break out this level. The next level would be 950 with the next target. Yeah. So just in case we break above the all-time highs here, 950 will be the next target, right? Yeah. This is what I'm looking at here today. This is what I'm looking at here today. So basically, buys at the break of the current highs. I don't know wherever it's gonna close. Sells, break up the low. Possible 1 to 3 here actually to the next range. And yeah, possible sells here as well. All right. It could be buys above here, but like I said, just you would have to manage risk very aggressively. I recommend, highly recommend aggressive management of risk here. Okay, let's go to NQ. All right, so again we have these. We have a bunch of highs over here, right? This is it's like 130 points away. But these highs here, I'm very skeptical of these highs. Very skeptical of these highs here. Okay. But for buys, could possibly take buys here actually. What's the range on this? Okay, we have 2 hour here though. So that's good. So most people take buys, most people will be taking buys anyway here at the break of that body here. But I prefer above the wick. That's where the real breakout will be. So anywhere into these zones here would be good for NAS. So buys above 47, 26, 264.7. Buys above there, sells below here, which is, oh, this is a perfect zone here, 1 to 2 zone. Anything lower than that would be here. So we could actually get this range here. Possible 1 to 4. Maybe. Let's see. So we got 3 minutes left. Let's see what we can get here. Let's see what we can get here today. Okay, NQ. NQ yesterday, but okay, right, there we go. So this is good. Okay, 1 minute left. So we already breaking the zone here. Ooh, already breaking the zones here on both charts actually. Wow. Wow. Okay, I'm looking at this zone here as well. I'm gonna look at this zone here as well, just in case. Alright guys, lock it in. So this is no go. This is no go. We need to wait here. I don't like NAS. I don't like how NAS looking here. Don't like NQ here. Um, yeah, I'll have buys above here on YM. NQ made a topic and then yeah, I don't like NQ. I don't like NQ. Sorry, I don't like those cells on NQ. Don't like it at all. I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm looking at YM. I'm gonna take buys here on YM. Or cells down there, but I don't like NAS. See that? See that? See that? Don't like that at all. Hmm. I may actually just play it safe here. I think I'll play it safe here for a while. Oh, the buys, I'm in for the buys, but not, I don't like the sells here actually. Sells down here is better. This range here, it's 36 to 40, it's not bad. It's not a bad range here. But this will be a bit aggressive. This entry here would be a little bit aggressive. So that's what I'm being mindful of. Again, we just had news as well too. So a lot of the volume may not, the market may not be too interested in moving our direction immediately, right? So yeah, so you see that pullback here. I don't like it at all. Look at that. That's already 25. So this is why we wait for this low here to break. I'm in on the break of these lows here on why. Let's be safe about this. Let's be safe about this. This would make a lot more sense. So this is no more. This would have been a loss here. Let's just be patient here. Let's just be patient. Yep, 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 yep. We're waiting, we're waiting, we're waiting. Yeah, I'm sure some people enter these cells here. But yeah. And some may end. Okay, good. Good job, bro. Yeah. Some may enter on this break here as well, but I think this breakup here again, we just had news. So whatever volume, whatever zones we had, these zones are fresh. So let's just be careful here. Like YM cells here, like these cells will be nice. Not gonna lie. Yeah, we're getting a 5 minute closure here. Beautiful 5 minute closure as well. We wait, we wait, we wait. Bit of a boring start, huh? Bit of a boring start. Yep, yep, yep. Well, we may get our trade here within the next 5 minutes. So, you know, if you could give a like, sub if you haven't subbed yet, give a like on the channel. I would very much appreciate it. And so would others. Let's get the content out there. Share the live stream. Really appreciate it. Yeah. Yep, 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 yep. Okay, not a bad closure here on YM, but we need more more volume. We need a lot more volume here. So for NQ, um, some may enter on the break of this low, but I'm not too interested. It's a big zone I made here to take a trade. This is 200 point zone, but yeah. I guess I'll put my entry here actually. What's that price? Sell stop 657. 657. Yep, this is my entry here. Penny order here. I'm putting a penny order here. I'm putting a penny order on this here. 700. Okay. So I need to close about. Okay. So I could close about 1.5 or so. Yeah, I don't need much here to pass these accounts. So I may get out before 2 hour. Let's see what we get here. Sales on YM, it seems like the play. Okay, I'm in. I'm in on sales for YM. Let's see what we get here. Um, Stops at 80, 83. Stops. Okay, my stops are in. Let's see if we can get some movement here. Okay, 1 hour. There we go. My engine was slipped on Lucid though. Oh, yeah, my engine was a bit slipped here on my. Let's see here. We're looking for. I need about $700 to pass. So yeah, let's see if we can get this. Let's see if I can get this here today. Let's see if I get our 1 to 2 for the most part. For the most part, we just need our 1 to 2. 1.5 as well could work. I'm going to secure once we, yeah. Okay, 600, 700. Okay, 800. Okay, out here. Yeah, I'm out here on the, well, the Lucid accounts. Um, yeah, out here. That's a trade, guys. That's a trade. Yeah. Man, how much did $50 difference? I made it. Okay, account passed. So good trade, guys. Good trade, good trade. Again, those that it was a bit slow here, but those that got in, um, really hope you secured something here. There's a chance here you could still get a trade off on Nas. Could still get a trade off on Nasdaq here. Um, but yeah, it's a winning day. I think that's it for me here, though. I think that's it for me here. I won't. This should be a lot more than this. Should be a lot more. You're a trading, bro? Oh, you didn't. Okay, okay. Oh, okay, with an NQ break. Okay, nice, nice. Yeah, I could take the NQ break on one of the 150K accounts here. And there's the 1 to 2 here on YM. Yep. Congratulations, people. Let's get it. We're making a bit of a return here. Ooh, wow, look at that pullback. Look at that pullback. This would make sense though. This would make sense here. This would make sense. Yeah. I'm not. I'm actually gonna put a buy stop here on the 150K accounts. Hmm. Won't risk too much though. Oh. I'm gonna trade. I'm I'm gonna take an entry here on NQ with you with the 150K accounts. I passed my two lucid here, so why not? I mean the trade is still valid, you know. So for a while, yeah, forget that shit. Yeah, wow, wow, wow. There's the volume. Man, whoever is still in YM, yeah, congratulations. Holy shit. Yep, I'm removing these stops. Yeah. Whoever is still in YM, holy shit. It's about to get crazy. But we have a little zone here on YM. So let's see. So if it continues to break here, I guess it could continue. YM could continue going down. That's why it just stopped. It just stopped at that zone. Hmm. You could get a next entry here on the YM though. But yeah, I'm calling it here. I'm calling it, guys. The 15 minute. It's a good 15-minute closure though. Like it's working out good, not for NQ, but for YM. Man, YM has volume, bro. YM has volume. YM has volume. If we break up these lows here, should be a trade. Mm, I'll take it on one of the accounts. You don't have to be both of them. Yeah, this is a beautiful closure, bro. Holy fucking shit. Wait, what the hell? Wait, what the hell just happened? I entered the trade and it just closed me off immediately. Okay, you know what? Let me not fuck around here. I don't know what just happened. I'm just gonna leave it. Anyways, yeah, yeah, it's good. It's good. It's good. It's good. Trade sync, everything is good here. Yeah. So yeah, bro. We're good here. Let me see if I could show this. The account see on Lucid. Um, yeah, but they should drop. They should drop here. They should definitely drop here. Let's see if it's gonna stop us out. But let's see if I could show this Lucid account here. Ooh, look at that shit. Um, it's okay for me to show. It would be okay for me to show the account number now, right? Know that I've passed. Yeah. Let me just. Yeah, look. There's the drop, guys. There's the drop. There's the drop. Right? There's your drop here. Another 1.5 R secured. Um, okay. Oh, trade sinker promotion. Okay. There is your 1 to 2 again, guys. This was a sexy, sexy 15-minute closure here. This was a beautiful trade. Beautiful trade here. Beautiful confirmation here. Look at that. Clean range. Look at that shit melt. Yeah. Why is this saying why is this saying an order is running? There's no order running. Why is this saying there's an order running? There's no order running. Okay, there we go. 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 Yeah, yeah, man. Hey, 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 hey. And I still have funded accounts, right? Just remember, I haven't lost them. So, so let's look at this here. Um, let's look at this lucid, right? So this is a lucid account here, guys. Um, still in YM. Wow, Umar, holy shit, you're milking it, bro. What the hell? Umar, wow. What's your what's your risk reward right now? Umar said he's still in wine, bro. That's crazy, man. You're getting a hell of a lot of profits. That entire range is so clean. So freaking clean, man. So clean. Congratulations, bro. Congratulations. Secure that shit, man. It's only Tuesday. Secure that shit. Secure that shit. Secure that shit. Yeah, so this is the account here. One of the lucid accounts. Pass that shit. Pass that shit. Yep. This is one. And this is the other. That's them. Two accounts pass 3 days. Is it 3 days? 4 days? 3 days? Uh, 3 days. Yup. 4 days. Yup. Two accounts pass here. Easy stuff, man. Easy stuff. Easy stuff. 4 days. So we have another 100K in funded for our man just with 40 points. Oh, you got a 40 point. Wow. Wow. Oh, you're taking partials. Okay, nice, nice, Umar. Nice, nice. Yeah, I don't do the partial shit. Partials fuck up the the risk reward. Yeah, that's good, man. That's really good. That's really good. Really good. So I guess we're gonna call it here today. Guess we're gonna call it here today. Nice trades. Nice day. Bro, that plumber would have had to leave. That That plumber would have had to leave, bro. No distracting during the trading session. Yeah, peace, Umar. Good job, man. Catching 4 hour. Good job. Good job. 4 man with a 40 pip stop loss. Man, 40 point stop loss. 4 hour is crazy. Great job, man. Great job. Great job. I guess Nas was a loser here for some people, huh? Yeah. Yep. 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 Yeah, man. Yep. So until let me see if I could just activate this shit real quick. 1 sec. Let's see if I could just activate this shit real quick. Real quick. Upgrade to funded. Haha. Haha. Ha 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 ha. I'm gonna download this as well. Let's see how they have it here. Lucid have it so much better than Topstep. Lucid have it way better than Topstep, bro. Way better than Topstep. Right? So you could download it and then agree. Right? Submit. Account upgrade completed. Let's go again. Do 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 do. Submit. Upgrade completed. Okay, so your account will become active within 5 minutes during market hours. 5 minutes during market hours. Weekend purchases become active on Sunday. Okay, it's pending. Yeah. So my funded accounts are pending, guys. So let's see if I could show this. No, I can't. Hmm, why can't I? Where is this account? Oh, I get it. I get it. I get it. I get it. Ooh, funded account is active, man. There we go. Got the email. Yeah, we're ready for tomorrow, man. So I gotta link this shit over. Um, gotta make sure. I need to make sure this is copied over properly because I'm still not. I'm gonna continue using Top Step separately from Lucid for now. Oh shit, that mean. Oh shit, I can't. Ah, fuck. I don't think I can. Or maybe I just buy 3 more 150K with Lucid and continue until I finish. Yeah, I see you, bro. Take it easy. Yeah, guys. Thanks for being here. Another winning day. Yeah, another dub. Take it easy, guys. Peace.